We're heading to Hill End, about a day's riding northwest of Sydney. Our aim is to ride the iconic Bridle Trail. The trail was cut by convicts at the height of the gold rush in the 1850s and runs through the magnificent Turon River Valley. But like anything, if you want reward, you need to put in some effort.
Oh, you all right, Andrew? I think we need to help each other here.
Definitely. All right. That's tough, man.
No, it's all right. Yeah. Don't worry. Well done, Perry. Go. Yeah. Well done. Woo. On the pegs.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Beautiful. That made us look like rank amateurs, Philippe. Yeah, hey? Go. Brakes. Get on that front brake. Front brake. Well done. Well done, York. The Bridle Track, an adventure rider's paradise. No guardrails, steep edges, steep incline, falling rocks, narrow winding road, flash flooding, floodways. Mal, it's got it all.
Speeding train. Got by and changed my name. Only had myself to blame for the company I was keeping. My restless watching feet, prone to wander endlessly. All the love you gave to me, oh, it wasn't enough to keep me. 'Cause all I stole from my father,
it's been a landslip. You go on the outside of that and you're in serious trouble. What a place.
Heard that dollar calling me, so I started in So I stole from my father all I thought I could sell. Tossed his copper and I watched as it fell, but there wasn't any water in the wheel.